So today we will have a reading tutorial about reading some syllables or magbansay kita sa pagbasa sa mga silaba with me, Teacher Yumi. So for more YouTube videos, reading tutorials from preschoolers, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, up to grade 6, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the bell button below. So are you ready? Now let us start reading. Unta sa pagbasa sa mga silaba. Well, let's start reading syllables. Okay, follow me. Ba, be, bi, bo. Good. Next. Very good. Okay, then you have, then last. Okay, very good. So it's ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Now let's move on to the next syllable. Okay. Okay, say ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Okay, this time you try it by. Okay, kau ko no. Right. Next. Then. Very good. So it's ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Then next one. Da, de, di. Are you following? Okay, next. Do, do. Okay, this time you try to read. Okay, very good. Then you have. Then last. Okay, great. The next one. Okay, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Try to read it. Very good. Then you have. Then the last one. Okay, very good. So it's ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Okay, say ha, he, he, ho, hu. Okay, great. The next. Last syllable. Okay, very good. So it's ha, he, he, ho, hu. Okay, it's la. Okay, say it with me. La, le, li, lo, lu. Okay. Then. Okay, go. Next. Awesome, very good. So that is la, le, li, lo, lu. Very good, kid. Okay, next you have, say ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Read. Very good. Okay, so it's ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. You try to read. Okay, very good. Then the next one. Then you have, okay, good. Then last, so it's na, ne, ni, no, nu. Then you have pa. Okay, say it with me. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Okay, very good. Next, then you have, then last syllable. Okay, you know how to read it. Okay, okay, everybody say ra, re, ri, ro, ru. To read it? Great. Okay, next. Then you have, okay, very good. Now, okay, sa, se, si, so, su. Okay, next. Very good. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ano po basa? Okay, great. Okay, let's have ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Okay, very good. Sunod. Okay, next. Then last. Okay, say nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Let's try. Ikaw na po ibasa. Okay, good. Okay, very good. So it's nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have some more reading tutorial for you to learn how to read at your own pace and at your own time. So thank you and God bless. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi.